very unique BMW i8 here, and I'm grateful for it as well. But the internet.
Into the surface, Wesley Virgin claims to be a self-made millionaire who enjoys helping others find economic freedom, but this video is dedicated to find out how legit he is. While he seemed to be an average Joe in high school, Wesley ended up in jail a few times when he was younger because of some terrible decisions he had made. Next, he enlisted in the army, where he began reading entrepreneurial publications by the dozen in his spare time, but his issues with authority got him discharged, leaving him broke and depressed. Wesley chose to be a physical trainer in Houston, Texas, where he would launch hardcore exercises to challenge people. This is where he really made a name for himself. You do not have to view any of his videos for very long to see why he was profitable as a coach. His sheer enthusiasm and passion are quite infectious. As a kid, Wesley was a stubborn know-it-all. After high school, he went to college briefly. Before dropping out, despite his awful grades, he felt as though he was smarter than his professors. He joined the army, but was kicked out due to insubordination. Next, he got a job as a tech guy at a car dealership in his hometown of Houston. After getting fired from that, he went all in on personal development. He began scheming up ways to make money on his own, but it was a tough go in the beginning. He ended up bankrupt, even behind bars at one point. His big break came in the form of a weight loss ebook. After a successful launch, he doubled down on internet marketing. Before long, he had scaled to million-dollar months. Obsessed with fast cash, Wesley expanded into other high-profit margin niches he knew he could exploit online. Healthcare, supplements, investing, mindset, you name it. He boasts about having millions of customers worldwide. In a single year, he claims to have done $30 million in revenue between all of his offers, and of course, he's been featured on Forbes, Entrepreneur, and BuzzFeed. Unfortunately for King Wes, as his Lambo license plate reads, the internet thinks he's a serial swindler. I'll explain what I mean by that. He's got an F on his Better Business Bureau listing, with a 1.44 out of 5-star rating. Wesley Virgin and the entire operation is a total scam, wrote a woman named Diana. They are millionaires by scamming people. They offer to give a full refund if you ask within 60 days. I asked for a $499 refund for general products I never received, and instead they sent only half of the money and kept $250. Countless Reddit threads roast him as well. The general consensus is that Wesley Virgin is a scammer who preys on the desperate and gullible. Many skeptics believe he makes only a fraction of the money he claims to be making. They call his lavish lifestyle a facade, that he rents his sports cars and cribs for marketing clout, that the outlandish stories he uses in his promotions are completely made up. A peculiar YouTube ad is what sparked this Wesley Virgin. So this begs the question, is Wesley Virgin a scammer? Not technically. You can make money with this program, but making money with affiliate marketing definitely isn't as easy as the company makes it sound. Driving traffic is extremely difficult. In order to do it successfully, you need to at least understand all these things, if not be a ninja. Them copywriting, Google Ads, and a lot more. There's a ton of work to be done up front, no real guarantee of success, and most importantly, the actual commissions are pretty small. Now, there's nothing wrong with front-loading the work and making the money later, but if you're grinding it out for 3 months and then your reward is a $50 commission, it's not really worth it, so it depends the perspective you look at it. You cannot make it big by watching his videos and taking his courses. You might get a few dollars, but that's it. Wesley Virgin uses the same strategy as some, or rather most, YouTubers use. And this is called clickbait. You can buy the course or watch the videos expecting more, but get nothing or less than you expected. This doesn't make him a scammer, rather a casual businessman, and making people believe his advertisement is a way to get people to believe him, and that makes him rich.
Hey, this is Wesley, $1 billion Virgin here. And, you know, I get this question all the time, Wesley, how did you come up with the millionaire mindset? And why is that so important to so many people's success, especially millennials, right?
Thanks for watching. If you like our video, please leave a like and click the subscribe button.